What do you think it is?
I don't know. You expecting something?
I don't know. Let's open it.
Okay. Oh.
It's a note.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming. Captain, you see this note? You don't care.
Let's see what else is in there.
It's so bright. Looks like there's a video playing.
Oh, you're right. I think you're right.
Video playing on this thing.
Oh my gosh!
You guys want to see?
You guys want to see?
Alright, let me show you guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. So we wanted to take this time to personally, I guess, invite you guys in our lives. Well, you guys are already in our lives, but we wanted to take this time to share this video with you guys.
Make it official.
Make it an official. It was so hard to keep it a secret for 4 months.
Hey Charles, it's coming December 2016.
2016. So, winter is coming. I'm gonna be a dad, yo. That's crazy.